What's up, guys? It's Hayden coming at you from the Life in the 608, and I'm currently driving, and I'm driving over to my buddy Tom's farm. We're gonna go over to the farm and just kind of fuck around. Not exactly sure what we're gonna do. I'm gonna shoot my new gun, get that on footage. It should be a fun day. So yeah, like I said, right now I'm just kind of driving to my buddy's house. So I'll get you guys when we get there. All right, guys. So if you can't tell by now, we made it to Tom's. We gotta do chores before we get the fuck around. You gotta work before you play. Yeah. So I'm just kind of riding on the tractor with Jake. You know, whatever. Should be a good day. Sorry if it's windy.
That don't ring yours, I don't know what will.
My shit's ringing, buddy. Jacob's turn.
No, safety's off.
Tom's turn.
It's fucking hot.
Yeah, drop a fucking loaded gun. That's not on safety, you dumb fuck.
Ready for this, boys? Okay, I'm kind of in love. Can I keep it?
No, definitely can't keep it.
Four.
Alright, well, you guys seen in the last clip, we took a little break from chores, went out, shot the gun, back to chores. Tom loading us up. Jake's driving. I'm just keeping him company, I guess. Really, I'm bored, don't got shit to do, so
It gets boring in here, so.
we got a spread manure. And then, so we got Pete silage later, or?
I don't think so. They look pretty decent on it for another day, but we'll see what old man wants to do and get on from there.
Yep. So, we're waiting for Tom. You know, you can only go so fast. So,
He's pretty good at it too. I'll give him it. He knows how to run the tractor damn pretty good. He's pretty good at it, but like Hayden said, you only go so fast, so just wait and get it now. Hey guys. Hello.
we're load 3. A couple hours later.
Yeah, that'll happen. It's a slow process. Can't go. Just gotta take your time.
Yep. So, you know, I don't got much footage yet, so I'm just gonna kind of record like this. We're gonna sit here, chill, jam out the music, talk, fucking goof off a little bit, do some funny shit.
Yeah, that'll happen. It gets boring, so sometimes I talk to myself and it gets kind of weird, so it's nice to have him here. When they asked when the next video was coming, we should have said the next time you fuckers win a game. We should have said that. Don't cut this part out. That's kind of a dick move.
That is funny.
That I can't take my eyes.
Woo! The Parks is hauling ass! Get her the beans, Bob! Let her rip, Tater Chip! Let her rip.
Hey, I was just wondering if anyone was sitting here.
Be careful, man. You got millions of people watching you. Drive this thing.
Dang it, Hollywood, get off my butt!
Just kidding, it's only like 100.
Now get 1,000 or million.
Yeah, what the fuck? I need 1,000 views on this video. Everybody show your friends.
If you ain't got no friends, show your mom or dad.
Yeah, I was
Just hanging out, sitting in the West Coast town.
found a bar out by the sand, so I made my way in. First thing that caught my eye.
Well, I'm gonna give it over to Big Shoots. RPMs are fine. You got a bump here, so go see one. Slam it. Hey.
Here, I run my pants if you want. It's my spread.
I thought it was comfortable. I'm gonna use Tom's glove to wipe it off. He probably can't see me, but I'm gonna wave on the road. That's why that kid looks like a Mexican after he's done in the summer.
Yeah.
That's kind of racist. I shouldn't have said that. I voted for Trump anyways. I'm not old enough, actually. Third. Yep.
Hello? Yeah, I tried to ride a wheelie. I dropped the clutch. I was opening it.
Yeah. Tom does it pretty good.
Tom was shit his pants when he was riding a wheelie all the way up there to fucking shit spread her back.
He'll take the international, no loader, no nothing
Oh,
attached to
no,
it.
first day I was here, he did. He ran all the way down the fucking street.
He don't care. Put it in fourth gear, RPMs max. Don't even slowly let it go. She'll let it off completely. Woo! And then he wonders why when he breaks stuff, it breaks. Like,
Hopefully I don't get copyright for the music.
no copyright intended. We're just boring.
This video is not monetized.
Go to second.
Deep in the water.
He's got to back it up. This is my first day ever driving tractor, so I'm not backing up yet.
He's doing good though. Better than I did. First day I drove a tractor, about flipped it completely over. I did a wheelie about the size of the F on an accident. And it wasn't very cool.
You probably shit your pants, didn't you?
Yeah. I was like, ah!
Been up since the crack of dawn.
Just trying to get paid.
Been out of the summer sun. I can't find no shade. Just 2 more rows and I'm good to go. And I'm shutting this tractor down. Give me a half an hour for a shave and a shower. I'll be outside your house. Might have a little dirt on my boots, but I'm taking you uptown tonight. Might have a little mud on my wheels. They gonna shine when you up inside. Gonna hit the dirt, gonna cover it up, burn it up like neon lights. Might have a little dirt on my boots, but I'm gonna dance and dust right off in the night. Yeah, girl, woo!
One more load.
Got it, good girl, 'cause I got myself a good girl. Still can't believe I found you. Can't imagine life without you. I could take you home, mama, take you
got McCormick's dumbass out here trying to flip four-wheelers and shit.
That kid has balls the size of a freaking unicorn when it comes to doing stupid stuff.
Get it, buddy. Get on it.
I hope he flips it.
I would laugh my ass off.
I wouldn't even help him. I'd just keep going. That was a good one.
What's going on, guys? So I'm editing this video right now. Realized that I did not have an outro, so I'm filming one now. If you guys enjoyed this little vlog, you know, drop a like, comment down below if you did enjoy them, because if you guys do enjoy these, I'll make a lot more of these. But so yeah, if you guys like the video, you know, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Peace.